Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, we are on a 2022 Toyota Rav4 flip key. All keys lost. I've already selected the vehicle. We're going to go to control unit, Immobilizer. And I was hoping for a quick reset. We're going to have to do Immobilizer reset because it doesn't give us the option to back up the emo or anything like that. Hopefully it's quick. Yes, I do. Yep, we're going to need a rolling code. Bring up the data lines in a second here. There it is. We're actually going to need two, one to do the reset and then one to add a key. So I'm going to pause and grab my code from TIS and I'll be back. Come on. Okay, I just put my rolling code in and we still have a 16-minute wait, so that's super cool. So we're going to do 16. Oh. Grab your battery pack, John. Turn ignition off, remove the key, put the same key in, turn it back on. I have someone else with me. I'm having him put battery support on because we're going to now be sitting here for 16 minutes with the ignition on. And when we get back from this, like I said, it will have reset the immobilizer, the emo light, wherever that is, will be on solid. And we will need another rolling code to add a key. So this is just kind of a time-consuming job. So when you know you're getting into rolling codes, charge a little bit more because you're going to have to buy them unless you have TIS. But just kind of get to know what you're doing and know when to charge a little bit more. We'll be back when this gets up and we have our other rolling code. Alright, we are back. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but the immobilizer light has gone solid. Like I said, I do expect to need another rolling code here. Add key. So we're going to do escape to get out of here. I'm going to go to add key. Before I get to that, when you first get into vehicle selection, you get to control unit. When you open that up, if you have more options here and you have the option to read or I don't remember how it's worded, back up the EEPROM, something to that effect, do that because it will save you these rolling codes. It's not always there, and when it is, it doesn't always work. But if you have the option, try it because it's going to save you a lot of time. I'm going to go to add key. Yep, we're going to need another code. Yep. There it is. We'll be back when we get that done. Alright, we're back with our second rolling code. And all we got to do is learn the key. Switch off and remove. Insert and leave the ignition off. This takes a little bit. Keeping the key inserted and leave the ignition off. Yes, sir. On and off 8 times till the lamp goes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It actually went out on 5, but it said 8, so 8 it is. Car starts. It's not gonna lock because it's open. Alright, we are good to go. Back again on the Rav4. I forgot the remote portion of the programming, which is very helpful to make the remote work. Remote control learning. Turn on the ignition. Make sure the door is open. Okay. Alright, we got 30 seconds here. And then I think take it out and hold lock and unlock. Let them go. Do it again, something like that. There it is. Not gonna lock. Door's open. Oh yeah, it is. Cool. Alright, well, remote's done. We're all set.